The verdict is out right now. All four have been declared guilty of this gang rape. We are still waiting for the murder charge as well. If I can get more information on that, we're reporting right now that they have been declared guilty. The charges, as Mr. Memon was pointing out, included rape and also murder under Section 302, which ensures the most stringent punishment available under the law is something they could consider in this particular case of the rarest of rare. We are waiting for details on what all charges they have been found guilty of at this point in time. But let's remember that they were charged with committing the rape, a brutal rape of this young girl who died 13 days after the incident as a result of those injuries. So it is charges of rape and murder. Mr. Memon, we're waiting for those details, but continue with that thought. We also have Kiran Bedi, who we'll go to in just a moment, but as soon as you finish your thought.
Now, Maya, let me conclude what I was telling you. Now, see, once the guilt has been recorded, now naturally the learned judge is required by law to afford opportunity to both sides, the prosecution and to the defense, to make submissions with regard to the quantum of punishment. Because once the conviction is recorded, naturally both sides are to be heard. Now, defense might probably come forward with certain mitigating factors to suggest that they should not be the recipient of the harshest statutory provision of law or punishment. But then the state certainly is going to point out that, well, this is a case which would fall squarely in the category of rarest of rare cases, and therefore would warrant death penalty. And as far as we all are concerned, we anticipate that, well, of course, without trying to influence the learned court, which is certainly going to base its findings ultimately even on the quantum of sentence, purely on the facts and circumstances of the case and the law. But then we expect that in the background of this facts of this case, nothing less than death would meet the ends of justice.
Right. Okay.